Your class handout has a bidding mistake that is corrected in this video. South, 18 points, balanced, too big to open one no trump, opens one diamond instead. North, 12 high card points, bids her major, one spade. South shows her big balanced hand with two no trump. North now supports partner's first suit, bidding three diamonds. South bids three spades, showing three length just in case North has five spades. North adds her 18 points to partner's promise 10 to 12 and decides that it's enough to investigate slam. With a weak heart suit, she can't ask for no trump, so she shows her first control with four clubs. South can't bid her diamond control. Diamonds is the suit bid and raised. If South bids four diamonds right now, it says I want to end the auction. So South bypasses diamonds and shows the heart control, bidding four hearts. This is what North wanted to hear, so she now asks with four no trump. South shows three key cards with her five spade bid, and North, knowing we have a 5-3 spade fit, chooses the six spade slam over the six diamond minor suit slam. By far the most complex bidding we have seen yet. The hands rotate. North is on bottom. In East, on our left, leads the top of sequence, Heart King. Let's count losers. No spades if the suit behaves. Two heart losers. No diamonds if the suit behaves. And one club loser, which we should be able to rough and dummy. We have several losers to get rid of to make this contract. Before we play, let's analyze the lead. West led the Heart Queen from the King Queen sequence, and we hold the Ace Jack. We know right now West has the Queen. We will use that against her later in what is called an in play. Dummy wins the opening lead with the ace. Let's pull some trump now. We'll win the spade ace. Both opponents follow suit. And win the spade king. And now we get the bad news. The trump split 4-1, so East still has two trumps left. We lead the spade 4. East plays low, so we win with the 9 and pick up East's last trump with our queen. I'm not sure why Declarer does this, but he plays the last trump and pitches a diamond from dummy. So now let's take our club winners. The ace first, both opponents follow suit. We'll win the diamond king, both opponents follow. Lead a diamond, back to dummy's ace. Win the club king and pitch the heart 8. Now look at our position. We have the diamond queen 10 in hand, but West behind us has the jack 9. If we lead a diamond, they will get one winner and set us. But if they have to lead the diamonds, then we get two winners and make the contract. We're in dummy, so we're going to lead to the heart jack, and West has to win the heart queen. Now she has to lead a diamond back to us. we will get both of our diamond winners and make the contract. In plays like this are how we avoid taking a losing finesse. It's okay if you don't understand this in play right now. Our goal was to bid the slam correctly. I have another in-play video on the YouTube channel, and we'll make more of them in the future. Sal opens this 14-point hand, 1 heart, north, 12 points, 4 card support, bids a new suit, 1 spade. South shows her minimum hand by rebidding 2 diamonds. North, with only game interest, bids 4 hearts, and South passes. West leads the club king from top of the sequence, and we count losers. No spades, no hearts, 1 diamond, which can be roughed, and 3 clubs. It looks like all we take is 3 club losers, so our 4 heart contract should make. Why is this hand in our lesson? Richard Pavlicek uses some old school Goran bidding techniques not used in today's game. Here is how he bid this hand. South opens 1 heart. North's jump to 3 hearts shows a game-going hand with 4 card support. After 3 hearts, South, with a singleton spade, has mild slam interest, so she bids 4 diamonds, her first control. With no slam interest, North signs off in 4 hearts, ending the bidding. Let's play this hand with the opponent's cards showing. You will see why shortly. West leads the club king. We know we have 3 club losers, so our problem will be, how do we get rid of that diamond loser? Notice the trump suit splits 4-0. We will have to use all of dummy's trump to pull the opponent's trump. None will be left to rough our diamond loser. Similarly, we can't play out 3 diamond winners, then rough the 4th one, because East has a singleton diamond and will rough the 2nd one. Lastly, if we try the spade queen finesse to generate our extra winner, it fails to the spade king in East. There just aren't any other alternatives to get rid of loser number 4, so we will go down. But Pavlicek finds a way to make the contract using what is called a dummy reversal. In a dummy reversal, we make dummy the master hand. Count losers from that side of the table. Let's do that now. Dummy has no heart losers, 3 spade losers, all of which can be roughed, no diamond losers, and 3 club losers. How does Pavlicek know to choose this line of play over a normal line? We will see it happen on trick 4 if we are alert and paying attention. So here goes. West wins the club king as East encourages continuation of the suit with the 8. West continues the queen. East's 3 is a high-low echo signal confirming she can either win the third club with the ace or ruff it herself. This attitude signal and high-low echo we will study in depth in our upcoming defense lesson series, so right now be patient and trust what I say. West continues a club to East's ace. No reason not to. Partner told me what to do. Up until now, Declarer is still using the original line of play, hopefully roughing the fourth diamond with a trump in dummy. East leads the diamond jack, and South thinks, why did she do that? I have ace king queen myself. The only logical reason is the jack is a singleton. She is hoping for a diamond ruff later. How does that change my thinking about how to play this hand? I win the ace in hand and start pulling trump. Notice Pavlicek starts with the jack, where I like to start at the top with the ace. East follows, West pitches a diamond, so East has a 4-0 trump stack. I will have to use all of dummy's trumps to pull them, so roughing the fourth diamond is now out of the question. What can I do? Really good players count losers from both sides of the table. Then, when a fly in the ointment appears, like it did here, they can seamlessly switch to an alternate line of play and continue as if nothing happened. That's what Pavlicek does here. So, now our new plan is to ruff spade losers in hand. So we'll win the spade ace first and ruff the spade 3 in hand. Get back to dummy with the trump queen and ruff another spade. Back to dummy with the trump king. Now look at our hands. I'll lead the heart and pulling the last trump. Then I'll lead the diamond 4 to the king queen in hand. East spade king will never be a winner because I will never lead my spade queen. At first, I regretted this hand, not bidding to slam. But then, when I looked into how to play it, lots of good ideas worth discussing appeared. In these 8 hands, we have seen several new play techniques introduced. We've seen a squeeze play, and an in play, and now a dummy reversal. Lots of areas to study in future lessons. West opens this 17-point hand, 1 spade. East, 13 points and flat, bids 2 clubs. West bids her other suit, 2 diamonds. East bids the 4-spade game. Since we have a spade fit, West's 2 doubletons revalue the hand now to 19. With partner's game going hand, I now have slam interest. Hearts haven't been bid, so I can't ask key cards. So I show my first control with 5 clubs. Partner shows the diamond control 5 diamonds. I still don't know if partner has a heart control, so I sign off in 5 spades. Partner with the heart control bids the slam 6 spades. North leads the top of sequence, club queen, and we count losers. No spade losers, no heart losers. 1 diamond, which can be roughed in dummy, and 1 club loser. 1 loser too many. With only 3 trump in dummy, we can't pull trump and then still have 1 left to rough the diamond. With 7 diamonds, the opponents have 6, so even if they split 3-3, we also can't play 3 rounds of diamonds and rough the 4th. With no way to get rid of a loser, let's see if a dummy reversal like we used on the last hand might help. Let's make dummy the master hand and count losers from that side. No spade loser, 1 heart loser, which I can rough, 3 club losers, I can rough 2 of them, no diamond losers, taking only 1 club loser. Let's try this line of play. We'll win the club ace on trick 1, and now the trump ace. We'll give them their club winner now, voiding my club suit. North returns a spade, which we'll win with the 9. There's still 1 trump out. We'll rough a club to get back to hand, and then back to dummy with the heart ace. Let's rough our last club loser, go back to dummy with the heart king, rough a heart with the king of trump, and pull the last trump. Now we can claim the last 2 diamond tricks, making 6 spades. We've seen 2 examples of a dummy reversal in the last 2 hands. Hands that couldn't find a makeable line of play under normal circumstances. But when we move to the other side of the table, in our mind, a workable line appears. Dummy reversals use the same skills we already know. We just have to get used to counting losers in dummy's hand instead of declarer's hand. This subject will make a good practice video sometime in the future. North, 17 points, balanced, opens 1 no trump. South, 16 points, bids Stayman 2 clubs. North shows her spade suit. Sadly, South has the other major. Let's make sure we all remember that if we bid 2 clubs and partner bids 2 spades, that she does not also have 4 hearts. South knows this, but still has slam interest. The way we show that is now try for a no trump slam by bidding 4 no trump quantitative. North, on top of her bid, accepts the invite with 6 no trump. The hands rotate, putting declarer on bottom. East, on our left, leads the diamond 3, which we figure is a fourth best lead. Let's count winners. 2 spades, 3 hearts, no clubs initially, but 2 later, and 3 diamonds. That's 10 tricks. We need 2 more. We need to get all 3 club honors, king, queen, jack. We can't afford to lose one to the ace. Let's see how Pavlicek plays this hand to make 6 no trump. He wins the first trick with the diamond jack and immediately goes to work on clubs, leading the 2. When the queen in hand wins, he locates the ace in East's hand. Why? Because if West had it, she would have taken the trick. So now a heart back to Dummy's queen so that he can finesse clubs again. This time East has to play her ace, and we didn't lose any club honors in the process. We needed to make our king, queen, jack good, and that's what we did. This was smooth, really smooth. East returns a diamond to our ace. So let's pick up our club winners. First, the jack. Then our diamond queen to get back to Dummy's king. So we can win the club king and pitch a spade. And play a low heart to the ace in hand. And a low heart back to Dummy's king. And win our spade ace. And lead the spade 9 to the king in hand, picking up West's queen and promoting our jack into the 12th trick. How did we know to play the king here, not the jack? We had 6 spades, so the opponents had 7. West discarded the spade 3 and the 4 and the 7 back on tricks 6, 7, and 8. When we can't follow suit and have to discard, a low discard tells partner, I have no honors in this suit. Declarer was paying attention too and saw these discards. She puts the missing spade queen in East's hand. So when Declarer leads the spade 9, she knows where the queen is and to play the king. So much of bridge is just watching what the opponents play and then thinking what it means. We will study all of these things in our upcoming defense series starting next month.